Hello guys, how you not day? This is not your boy Gay Adams Link. Welcome to this channel. Think money. Time no day to say time no day for Nigeria. So we have to be smart and think about money most of the time. Also take care of your head though. Well, this is the sixth video on this channel, and I want to really appreciate you guys for those of you who have subscribed and those of you who have been recommending and watching our videos. Thank you very much guys for tuning in again. And I guess you are wondering what you guys are doing. Again, Adam Slink, what are you doing? Well, I decided to reconstruct my former dog cage. You know, my dog is no more. I gave it out to somebody because dog no dey bring food. Dog just dey chop my food. So I decided to reconstruct that cage into a poultry cage. The cage has about three steps. One for turkey, the middle one for layers, and the lower one for boilers. So that is how I reconstructed it, and I made sure I did the house very well. Of course, you can see the bulb, the red bulb there and the white bulb. The red bulb for heat generation and the white bulb in case there is heat, so I don't need to switch on the red bulb. So I decided to bring this up because chicken and egg are extremely expensive now. So I decided to rear my own chicken and also produce my own egg. So this is one of the journey. I don't know much about it, guys. I've never in my life reared a chicken before or talk about of turkey. I've never. So I decided to try it out. So I'm not hoping for any disaster, but I know indeed certainly there must be disaster, guys. So I want you guys to go through this journey with me. Go through this journey with me, and I will be telling you everything about it and how I am succeeding. So please, if you want to support me, just subscribe and recommend my videos. And just in case you want to go into poultry farming, well, I think you might learn one or two things from me because me, I'm just a starter. So I want to start it first from my house, and maybe if I succeed somehow, I will go into it full time, open a very big farm and do it bigger. But now I just want to start somewhere, start somewhere and learn about poultry farming first before going deeply into the business. So guys, try as much as possible to subscribe and support your boy. Like I've said before, I am hoping for disaster, but hopefully I just hope that there are no more disaster because I've had a lot of story. People say, oh, poultry farm is not good. Poultry farm is not good. Poultry farm is not good. You are going to lost. I am ready to lost and I'm ready to learn. So guys, I hope in the next few months, I will show you good results. So they are currently eating now. Let me be honest, guys. The turkeys do not eat properly. I don't know why. So somebody had to advise me to put about 3 boilers because according to the person said turkey can be really foolish. Can be really foolish. So I need to put something within them to let them know that this is food whenever they see food. So that's exactly what I did, and they are kind of like based some kind of improvement though, because whenever the turkeys see the chicken eating, they will quickly go there to eat. I don't know why this one the seat is being here, this boiler. I don't know why, but they're eating fine. See the boiler. I also included boiler here so that they can also tell those one that yes, there is food here. Those one they are really doing fine. I have not recorded any issues with the boiler yet. I don't pray to ever record. They are all doing fine over here. But sometimes they can just behave somehow and I will be afraid. Like that one now, just staying there. Look at it. Just staying there, looking dead. Look at it there. Look at it there. You don't even know if it's alive or dead. but I'm very, very sure. So he's alive. You see, and this one I don't know why this one is not so. You know, I don't know why, but they will be fine. I don't know if that if the purple leaf is reacting on them or not. Oh, please, I don't know because they are almost looking really, really sleepy. They are looking really, really sleepy as soon as I don't honestly, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know, guys. I don't know. I don't know. So they are drinking it, guys. So they are drinking it. They work. Carry this money now. I say Colgate they work for this. See that light now, but they make their day active. How much? And how much of the things maybe I see you collect today?
The wire and
The wire make you pack carry.
I
No,
I
something.
no pack the wire.
Come out your hand.
I no pack the wire.
Wire make you make you break. You don't fit dash me wire. How much?
There's no wire where they dash person.
How much now?
With that, everything for this one, I buy that is 43.
For everything?
Yeah.
43. $4,300. You know, go protest. We don't get anything to protest for Nigeria, uncle. No, now so that Nigeria are better now. Men not to protest too, so that your country go better. We'll call for me and give money. We couldn't. I don't understand this. What is this stupid thing they tell to talk? The network they bad. Go cut that thing confess. I don't do. I'll cut and confess. So I just recently upgraded the cage. You see here, I have two lights there because that this bulb there, this bulb is 200 watts, and it's the heated bulb, and it consumes too much light. So I had to add this one up. That one doesn't really consume anything at all. I have to add it up so that whenever I just need light in the cage, I can just on that. Why this one? Whenever I need them to be heated, just to make it warm a little bit, then I put on that one. I also put it in every cage. Both down here and also there as well. I put it in every cage. Down there, also there as well. So the two bulbs are there. One and the other one there. Two bulbs here. Just the white one is just when I just want to just put light. Because I discovered that without light, they are not really that active. They keep just sleeping and sleeping without light. But as soon as they're light, you see them moving around, like now you see. And also here as well, with light. With light, they are really, really active. And without light, they are not active. I don't even understand why that one is sleeping now. Hey, stand up. There's anything wrong with you? Hey. Sometimes they just act as if they are dying. Meanwhile, that one is sleeping. Oh. Sometimes it gets me scared. You see, like I've said, two bulbs. One for the heat, and the other one just ordinary bulb, just to give them light. You cut them, you do the cut am back side, so the call no dey go for you, I'll be waiting.
I want that the bank out for my bank. I thought I don't.